So welcome everyone. Thank you for joining me this evening to learn more about the great range of technology programs offered at McMaster Continuing Education. My name is Carly and I'm an information specialist here at McMaster University Continuing Education. Before we begin, I just want to let you know that this session is being recorded. And I'd also like to start by acknowledging that the land on which we gather here today is the traditional territory of Haudenosaunee and Anishinaabe. Okay, so today we're going to be walking through the following technology programs that I'm very excited to tell you about. So we have the data analytics, data science, big data programming and architecture, open source intelligence, and Amazon Web Services Academy, so AWS. Okay, so these programs follow a path where you first learn basics, then intermediate, and lastly advanced learning knowledge. Courses are flexible within each program. It can be taken based on any previous knowledge or comfort level to stay ahead in this changing field. Programs are offered in a convenient virtual classroom format to help you gain relevant skills and experiences, to earn a certificate online, and future-proof your career. And again, we'll be making sure we cover everything. So let's get started. So first program I want to talk about is our data analytics program. So this program was designed for professionals looking for a flexible basic level introduction into the world of analytics. We offer 2 data analytics program pathways for you to choose from. So we have our certificate in data analytics, so this is completing any 5 elective courses, and we have our certificate of professional learning in data analytics. So this you would have to complete any 3 elective courses to be eligible for the certificate of professional learning. By completing one of our data analytics programs, you will receive a certificate or a certificate of professional learning from McMaster University Continuing Education. In addition to this, these courses provide the prerequisites for professionals interested in pursuing the intermediate or experienced program streams in data science or big data programming and architecture. Here's what you can expect to learn through our data analytics program. So how to apply statistical methods for the analysis of data sets, how to collect, analyze, interpret, and share data, and identify relationships in data. And you would also be able to select and employ problem-solving techniques, source standards, and web-based tools to test analytical solutions. And lastly, you'll be able to employ data models and business intelligence and data analyst case studies. So our data analytics program is offered in flexible formats designed to meet your needs, schedule, and learning preferences. The virtual classroom format combines live sessions with independent study activities with the goal of replicating what might otherwise experience in an in-person offering. To learn more about our learning formats and differences between each one, please visit our on-demand research center. Understanding and knowing how to apply data analysis opens the doors to many different career opportunities, including areas of the following. So finance, insurance, healthcare, marketing, government, retail, logistics, information systems and transportation, and media, entertainment, and information systems. So our data science program, if you're interested in mastering digital data at an intermediate level, this program's for you. You can choose 2 program pathways. So our certificate in data science, so this would be able to complete any 5 electives, and our certificate of professional learning in data science. So you'd be able to complete any 3 elective courses. There are many great courses to choose from within the data science stream, from foundational courses in statistical analysis, for data science, data management, predictive analytics and data mining for more technical and hands-on courses, and machine learning for big data, to data analytic tools, to even a capstone course. You can visit our data science program page to learn more by clicking the link in the description below. So what you can expect to learn through our data science program includes translate a business program into an analytical problem, propose and redefine analytical solutions to business problems, problem-solving techniques and software tools to test analytical solutions, employ common industry software tools, and identify, test, and evaluate model structures to solve a business problem. All right, so whether you're beginning your career, making a career move, or looking for professional development and practical learning in a specialized field, our courses will provide you with a solid foundation and give you an in-demand skills employers are looking for. Data science courses are offered through virtual classroom format where you can experience the classroom environment from the comfort of your own home. You will meet live at a designated time each week to learn from expert instructors, as well as each class will have hands-on training portion you can apply immediately to your industry. So those who pursue data science can work in exciting fields like finance, insurance, healthcare, marketing, retail, logistics, transportation, media, entertainment, information systems, and government. The data science program offers a capstone project course, which aligns with the Certified Analytic Professionals competencies, or the CAP competencies. You're going to work with the faculty and industry mentors on real-world business problems and or projects to apply analytic models and tools learned throughout the program. For further information about the course and experimental learning, please visit our website at www.mcmastercce.ca. All right, so let's talk about our big data programming and architecture program. So this program focuses on experience levels of big data analytics, open source technologies, and cloud computing platforms. So these courses are perfect for anyone who wants to expand their current knowledge and stay ahead of this rapid changing field. So there are two program pathways that you can choose from. So you can choose the Certificate of Big Data Programming and Architecture. So this would be complete any 5 elective courses. Or you can do the Certificate of Professional Learning, which is completing any 3 elective courses. Some of the courses featured in this program include data programming, where you will learn Scala and Java, essential of cloud computing, and a capstone project. As well, these courses can prepare if you are interested in pursuing a designation in Certified Cloud Practitioner and or Cloud Solution Architect. So through this program, you can expect to learn how to implement cloud computing concepts, how to build a variety of IT infrastructure on the cloud, propose and redefine analytical solutions to business problems, collect, analyze, interpret, and share data, and identify relationships in data, and work with open source and scalable database tools. So data analytics, data science, and big data programming and architecture are unique programs where you can continue advancing your knowledge in data analysis even after you've completed your certificate by choosing courses that match your background and align with your career goals. You can also do it at your own pace and on your terms with our flexible virtual classroom. Big data programming and architecture program is a great fit for professionals with a degree in science, computer science, technology, mathematics, business, or engineering, who want to give their careers the competitive edge or want to work in fields such as finance, insurance, healthcare, logistics, transportation, information specialists, media, entertainment, marketing, and sectors using AI or predictive analytics. For more information on this program and its courses, please visit our website. So now that we're at the halfway point of our webinar, we want to do 2 more quick polls with you to get an understanding of your education and career goals and study plan. Please take a moment to answer the questions on your event box. All right, so I see here that, everyone's looking for something different, right? There's career growth and advancement, professional development, and a new career path, which is great. And, most of us either know what they want to do. They want to gain a certificate or diploma, and some of you are undecided, and that's okay. It's just great to see that we have a broad range of career goals and study plans. And our information specialist team is always happy to answer any questions and help consult you on your goals and your study plans. You can get in touch with us via the Contact Us form linked below, or you can visit our chat with the information specialist session this evening. So that's also available. It's a great opportunity for you to ask more questions geared towards your goals. All right, so our open source intelligence program. So this program is going to teach you current real world skills, techniques, and tools to effectively gather and effectively investigate OSINT data. So open source intelligence collects data from publicly available online sources. So open source intelligence certificate of completion is you would complete all 4 required courses. So open source intelligence courses can also be leveraged to the data analytics program, so which is a great option. Here's what you can expect through our open source intelligence program. So you would learn how to utilize the latest technology and advanced research techniques, recognize cyber threats and safeguard your safety and privacy online, accurately assess the value and quality of online sources and data, design tools and processes to collect and manage data, and use various tools and methods to monitor online and social media sources in real time. So the Open Source Intelligence Program is an open enrollment professional development program. So there's no formal admission procedure. You can also do it at your own pace and on your own terms with our flexible virtual classrooms. So the courses that we have for this are OSI 101, which is Tradecraft and Operations. So participants are going to learn the fundamentals to open source intelligence, tradecraft, and operations for traditional and new media sources. OSI 102 with Python for basic collection. So participants are going to be able to learn how to treat the internet as a data resource and how to create automated data collection mechanisms. OSI 103, which is participants are going to take their web scraping skills to a next level by learning how to collect hidden text and multimedia elements. And then there's OSI 104, which is data mining and analysis essentials. So participants are going to learn how to condition and prepare collected data for future analysis and how to construct analytical and visualization algorithms. So to name a few open source intelligence advantages across different businesses, so law enforcement agencies are able to better monitor national security and predict future actions. Financial institutions are able to identify money laundering activities more effectively. IT departments are better equipped to detect cyber threats. Insurance companies can expose claim frauds cases faster. Human resources are able to investigate employees and potential candidates, and marketing departments are able to effectively analyze marketplace trends and track competitors. So for more information of this program and its courses, please visit our website, or again, you can reach out to one of our information specialists who will be happy to assist you. All right, lastly, let's talk about our Amazon Web Services, so the Academy Cloud Foundations and Architecting programs. So McMaster Continuing Education is proud to be an ASW Academy member institution. So Amazon Web Services is one of the popular cloud platforms offering comprehensive data analytics services. ASW platform is broadly adopted in many businesses that are leading to a growing job market demand for cloud specialization and AWS certified cloud practitioners. So AWS Academy Cloud Foundations is an introductory level training. So this program is open enrollment, no application required. All course modules can be completed virtually. And to receive the McMaster University Certificate of Completion, participants must complete all required course activities and assignments. So what you'll learn in Cloud Foundations is to define the ASW cloud, identify the global infrastructure, complete a virtual private cloud, and explain the architectural principles of the AWS cloud. Okay, so the ASW Academy Cloud Architecting is more technical training compared to the Cloud Foundation. So this program is open enrollment, no application required. All course modules can be completed virtually. So to receive the McMaster University Certificate of Completion, participants must complete all required course activities and assignments. It's recommended that learners be familiar with the cloud computing. The recommended prerequisite knowledge could be acquired completing the Data 304 Essentials of Cloud Computing or AWS 101 Academy Cloud Foundations. So you can visit our Big Data Programming and Architecture page for more information about DAT 304. So The Cloud Foundation Certificate of Completion is a 12-week training program, so you would complete all 15 modules. So what you're going to learn through this program is being able to describe principles to consider when migrating new applications, identify the design patterns of architectural options, define availability, fault tolerance, and scalability, evaluate the most important performance metrics, and apply common error troubleshooting practices. All right, so Amazon Web Services has been named as a leader of the cloud infrastructure platform services for the past 11 years and continues to dominate for much of North America and Europe. Both large enterprises and early stage startups have started incorporating the AWS cloud services. AWS training investment and certification is a smart move to stay current in a rapidly changing data analytics marketplace. So AWS Academy Cloud training courses will add more value to learners' data analytics skill set and position them better for big data and infrastructure architecting in the following industry sectors. So finance, insurance, healthcare, marketing, government, retail, logistics, transportation, and media and entertainment, and also sectors using predictive analytics and AI. So for more information on this program and its courses, you can visit our website. As well, you can, again, reach out to one of our information specialists that's live here, or use our contact page to reach us if you on another time. We're always available to help and answer any questions that you have. All right, so now how to register. Okay, so registering for any of the programs we discussed is quick and easy. So there's no application required. Simply go to our website and register online as long as you meet the criteria shown. So you must have an Ontario secondary school diploma or equivalent. You must be a mature student. So a mature student has been someone who's been at a high school more than 2 years or is over the age of 18, or be deemed as an exceptional case. This can be done through our program managers or admission staff. So, and lastly, please ensure that you meet the McMaster English language proficiency requirements if you're a new Canadian or international student. So in this case, for that, you don't actually have to require identification or proof. It's just up to you to make sure that you meet the requirements so you're able to stay up with the curriculum. And you can refer to the On-Demand Resource Center this evening and visit our continuing education website for more information on that. Okay, so more technology and data programs include health informatics, health analytics, and health information fundamentals. If you are interested in exploring these programs further, you can visit the link in the description box. And you can also reach out to one of our information specialists or contact us pages, and we'll definitely be able to help you. All right, so thank you for joining us today. So we invite you to continue your evening by joining the Q&A sessions with program and industry experts where you can ask questions and learn more about the programs and courses. So we've listed the technology ones here for you, but check out our schedule at the home button for additional sessions that you may be interested in. As well, don't forget about our instructor panel starting at 7:30 p.m. And this is giving you the opportunity to meet instructors to understand who you will be learning from. So for additional information, please make sure to visit our On-Demand Resource Center for any general questions. You can visit our chat with an information specialist or contact us using the Contact Us form linked in the description box below. We value your feedback and would love to learn if this session was helpful for you. My colleague is actually going to be sharing a link in the chat for you to participate in and when you have a minute. So again, thank you so much for joining, and we look forward to seeing you at McMaster Continuing Education. Thank you.